Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Orange color. A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. Blue color. B. B for bat. B for ball. Black color. C. C for carrot. C for candy. Green color. D. D for dog. D for donkey. Red color. E. E for eggplant. E for egg. Purple color. Fish. F for fan. Yellow color. G. G for goat. G for girl. Red color. H. H for house. H for hen. Green color. I. I for ice cream. I for eyes. Purple color. J. J for joker. J for jug. Yellow color. K. K for kite. K for king. Black color. L. L for lemon. L for lime. Blue color. M. M for mango. M for magic. Green color. N. N for nest. N for necklace. O. Orange color. O for orange. O for owl. Green color. P. P for piano. P for papaya. Blue color. Q. Q for queen. Q for quilt. Black color. R. R for ring. R for rat. Red color. S. S for star. S for sister. Purple color. T. T for tomato. T for tower. Blue color. U. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. Orange color. V. V for vegetable. V for village. W. W for water. Green color. Blue color. X. X for xylophone. Black color. Y. Y for yak. Red color. Z. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learned today? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.